My name is Joe Matlock. I'm with Matlock Tire Service and Auto Repair. We're a third-generation tire and auto repair business in Knoxville, Tennessee, celebrating our 70th year this year. We were founded in 1953. Our customers are vital to everything we do, of course. We pride ourselves on providing the best service possible to retain customers, and it's worked well to this point. We're proud to have third and fourth generation customers, but we wouldn't be here without the customers that we have. The community is vital in what we do also. We want to support the schools, the churches, the community organizations that support us. We want to give back because they have supported us so well for all these years. So we want to be a part of the community and not just be here selling a product, but want to be involved in the community and support the community. Mighty provides our inventory maintenance on all of our stocking parts, which is a huge advantage to us. If we want to turn vehicles quicker, it's much more efficient to have the parts in-house than have to order out and wait. It's a lot easier to make a sale if you have a dirty air filter and have a clean one that you can show the customer. It's much more effective than having to just show a dirty one and hope for the best. It helps in sales, it helps in turning bays, turning vehicles, and helping us run as efficiently as we want to operate. Without Mighty, we couldn't provide the level of service that we strive to provide to every customer as far as efficiency, time, speed. Mighty's vital to how we operate and the level of service that we provide to our customers. They're great about getting stuff to us on the spot if we need to, but we could not operate as efficiently as we do without the support of our local Mighty franchise. I would absolutely recommend Mighty to another organization.